ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਆਪ ਸਮੂਹ ਸੰਗਤ ਨੂੰ ਖਾਲਸੇ ਦੇ ਸਿਰਜਣਾ ਦਿਵਸ ਦੀ 300 ਸਾਲਾ ਸਿਰਜਣਾ ਦਿਵਸ ਦੀ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈ ਹੋਵੇ। ਗੁਰੂ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ, ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਪੈਗਾਮ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਕੱਲੇ-ਕੱਲੇ ਕੰਟਰੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਜਿਹੜਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਦਾ ਉਹ 90 ਕਰੋੜ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਸਾਜਣ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਨਸੂਬਾ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਕਰੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਜਲਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਆਪ ਸੰਗਤ ਦੇ ਸਹਿਯੋਗ ਨਾਲ। ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਮੇਅਰ ਹਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੋਲਾਂਗਾ। Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. First of all, we want to thanks to the God who gave this day to celebrate our 9th Sikh Day Parade in our beautiful town with our talented, kind and smart mayor Daniel J. Reiman and his officials are sitting with us on the stage. Dear congregation, Mr. Mayor have done so much for our city. For every single community, he is the one who is keeping unite, and he listens to everyone, doesn't matter who. You can go to his office and talk to him what you are planning in your future, what you want to do. Mr. Mayor always welcomes. So this is the main one kind person should all those kind things should have. When you are mayor, you should know how to deal with this public. We are all from different nationalities, different religion, but mayor is keeping us so close each other, which is very plus point. The mayor is so great for us. Mayor have done so much for our city. He tried to make this transforming of the better. We now have state-of-the-art library, waterfront, fitness center. Mayor personally is one of the very perfect, very healthy mayor we have. So he the one who created the fitness center in our town. All the people, youngster, old people, they all go to their gym and do the exercise and take care of their body. This is a very plus point for every community. So this is our mayor. He gave us this kind of opportunity. So we appreciate to him. From the perspective of the community, Mayor Reiman, he always stood by us and time again, and numerous occasions resolved our community concern. The mayor have attended every single Sikh Day Parade from last 10 years. So when he was in the school, then after that he became a mayor. He always in the parade, and he appreciate all our congregation. He also is very happy for our given to this community for this beautiful town. Ladies and gentlemen, recently you can see all this development in the city with the city streets. All the city streets are getting pavement. They are doing all this. Any girl, lady, with a stroller can walk over the street from one to the other without hitting any edges. They did so much good job on the street. They're going to do it. They keep doing it. And all our elders, when they walk on the streets, they can walk freely. They don't have to hit any edges. Their corners, the sidewalks, they're doing so good job on it. And many others job they are keeping going on in the city. So this is we really appreciate for this mayor. So just for the record, Cartret is the town in the United States where Sikhs are raising their Nishan Sahib, our flag, which is our religious flag in City Hall from last 9 years, almost last 9 years. So we are proud of it. We have a community are very excited to have him as our mayor, Mr. Mayor, thank you very much for all your dedication and your participation to celebrate 316 Khalsa Sadhana Divas here. So, dear congregation, now I want to say you this. We are under one God, so I want to say to you, God bless you and God bless America. So now I would like to request to you to come to stage and address our community. Please give him a big round of applause, Mr. Mayor Reiman.
Thank you, my friend. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Oh, come on. You can do larger than that. Sikhs in Carteret. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Let's start by saying, Wadi Guru Ji Ka Khalsa, Wadi Guru Ji Ki Fateh. What a great opportunity to be here in Carteret to celebrate our cultural diversity and the Sikh faith. Let me take a moment to recognize some dignitaries that are taking the time out of their busy schedule to be here with you today in Carteret. Our Councilwoman Susan Naples. Councilwoman Naples. Someone who'll be up momentarily to address the crowd to say a few words. He serves us as our Assemblyman in the 19th District. Please welcome Assemblyman Craig Coughlin. Someone who represents Hudson County, has been a friend to many throughout the state. A self-made businessman who now gives back to his constituents and around the state from Jersey City. Please welcome Assemblyman Raj Mukherjee. And I saw a moment ago, is he up on stage? He's behind stage. I'm going to ask that Jasbir Judge come up here on stage to be recognized. Jasbir is a member of our community here in Carteret and the only elected Sikh here in the borough of Carteret, serves on the Board of Education, so give him a round of applause. Doing a great job up there. We're happy to host the 9th annual Sikh flag raising and parade here in Carteret. We're happy to welcome the thousands of visitors from around the tri-state area who are joining with the thousands of residents of Carteret who call Carteret home and who participate in the Sikh faith and religion as we celebrate today and as we celebrate and recognize the creation of the Sikh faith with the first guru. You know, I mentioned earlier at the flag raising, although we know that the birth of Sikhism was on April 14th, we are, of course, on Sikh time, so we do it a month late. We know that we were supposed to start this event much earlier, but the rain came down slightly, so we were a bit delayed. But when you look around the community and you see people from every continent, and from every country, and from every faith around the globe, they come to Carteret and they call it home because it's a true melting pot. Central Jersey has always been that melting pot. But around Carteret, we still have the traditional older churches from Eastern European nations and faiths, and we have the churches from the new residents coming in, whether from Asia, from South America, from other parts of the world. They call Carteret home, and they feel safe and happy to be participating in our community. Today, we celebrate your faith, but we come out as a community to celebrate one and all, what it means to be an American and what it means to be here, to have freedom of choice and freedom of faith, to have the opportunity to gather together in the park and to worship as we choose. So with that, I'd like to congratulate you on this very special day as we celebrate the anniversary of Sikhism. And I'd like to thank you for coming to Carteret, for participating in our community. And I encourage you to get more active and more involved. Pursue running for office. Get involved in your local boards or agencies. I've said this when I visited the Gurdwaras. And today we have Sikh police officers and Sikh firefighters. The men and women who represent our community need to look like the community they represent. And the children that you see today need to have a role model to look up to, whether it's a police officer or a firefighter, whether it's a teacher or an elected official. It shouldn't be some music hip-hop star or necessarily some sports athlete who perhaps doesn't always set the right course and make the right decisions. So engage yourselves, get involved in the community, and may God continue to bless you. Thank you. Wadi Guru Ji Ka Khalsa, Wadi Guru Ji Ki Fateh. Now for a few brief remarks, let me introduce our Assemblyman Craig Coughlin, joined by Assemblyman Raj Mukherjee. Gentlemen.
you, Mayor. Good afternoon, everyone. It is a pleasure and privilege to be here again this year to celebrate this very special occasion and to do something that is uniquely American, I think. You know, we all come from different places, but here in the United States, we love our country and we are proud of and love our cultural heritage. And so it's a special opportunity to be together, to celebrate our difference, to celebrate our unanimity, and to share and develop a growing and special relationship. So it's a wonderful day. I know the rain not cooperating a little bit, but it's still a special day, and the sun is shining on the Sikhs. So thank you very much for letting me be a part of it, and have a nice day. Thanks very much, everybody.
Waheguru Ji Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. It's a pleasure to be here in Carteret. First of all, it's great to join my dear friend Mayor Reiman in a park that's an example of all that he and members of the governing body like Councilwoman Naples have done, from adding $1 billion of economic development, private investment and rateables to the tax base here, to the Robert Wood Johnson Fitness and Wellness Center, which was constructed without a penny of taxpayer dollars. All of the great things he has done to make the city better. Since his teens and being the youngest. So great to hear. And second, that this later it warmed my heart to see that now the Sikh community here in Carteret this day celebrates. And all that the Sikh community has done, Jersey State and the United States a better country. I was in St. Louis this week, where I got to see MasterCard's headquarters, where Ajay Banga broke the barriers and is a Fortune 500 CEO. Join the club. In my home, we have a councilman who is Sikh American. We have the first Sikh county prosecutor in New Jersey nominated recently in Gurbir Grewal, and I want to see many of the young Sikh Americans here today, as Mayor Reiman said, hopefully pursue careers in public service and set role models for future generations of Sikhs and South Asians. So thank you so much, and God bless the Sikh community and Carteret. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, here they were our respectable Mayor Daniel J. Reiman, Assemblyman Greg Coughlin, Raj Mukesh, also Assemblyman. So they have speak to you. They gave their speech. They honor the Sikh community. We are going to honor them now. Now I'd like to ask Mr. Mayor Daniel J. Reiman. We're going to honor you, so please come to the, and also I want to tell all these officials sitting here, so please stand up.
Get the photo. Who's taking the photos?
Bole so nihal. Sat Sri Akal.
Now I'd like to Assemblyman Craig Coughlin, please. Now I would like to ask Mr. Raj Mukesh, also Assemblyman.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Jerry now. Yeah, Councilman Susan Nichols. And now also ਸਾਡੇ education ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਸਵੀਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੱਜ.
Jasveer. Okay, enjoy the festival.
Now, ਗੁਰੂ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ, ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਇਸ ਨਗਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਪੇਪਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਐਕਸਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਉਹ ਲਾਂਚ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. So now I would like to request Mr. Bill Singh, please come to the stage, and Mr. Daniel Reiman and all the officials are standing here with all the committee members.
Congratulations. Thank you very much. This is the first edition, isn't it?
Yeah, they are issuing the first edition today. So we hope this paper success in their future and give all the news to our community.
We do a photo?
So many years, but this time.
Let's get the picture. Come on. Ready?
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. Thank you, all the officials. Thank you very much. Now.